Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to CloudBus. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe our CloudBus. In this video, we are going to see how to create an AWS free tier account, and you can use this account for free of cost for an year. Okay, let's get into our live demo. Just go to Google and type AWS free tier. Just press enter and go to the first link as shown here. Go to AWS free tier account and you just choose create a free tier account, and you have to give your email address here and proceed with password. Just giving my email address here. And give your account time as you like. So here I am giving CloudBus, my channel name. You can give your own name, or you can give your whatever you like. Then later on you can change your name, so don't worry about this name, it is optional. So as of now, creating account you should give here. So then later on you proceed with continue. Okay, we are into next stage. Here they given to fill your contact information. They have two types of options. You can choose any one, professional or personal. So if you are using for organization, you should go with professional. If you are going with personal, you can go with this individual account. This is nothing but personal account created for you. So here I am going to give personal. So these two accounts are nothing, it is similar to each. So give your phone number, and fill up your country name. If you belong to some other country, you can proceed with your country name and give your address name, then city name, then state, followed by postal code. Just fill it. Then you can proceed with agree and terms here, and you can proceed with create account and continue. Next we are into payment information page. Here you may wonder why we are using debit card and credit card number. Thus it belongs to free tier account. Don't worry guys, AWS does not charge for anything. Initially it charge about for here 2 rupees. It is for only for identity purpose. So you are belong to this account and you are going to own this account. So later on they will credit your 2 rupees to your account. Don't worry about these things. This is mandatory policy given by Amazon. So my recommendation, use your debit card and don't go with your credit card. So just fill this your credit card number and give your name. Nothing but your debit card owner's name. If you are a owner, you can give your name. Then backside of your credit card or debit card, you should find your CVV. It is confidential, don't share with others. Just enter. See your contact address. You can use your own contact address, and if you have PAN, you can proceed with yes, and you can enter your PAN number. As of now it is optional, you don't want to give a PAN number, so just give no, and you can verify and add. And it takes 30 to 40 seconds to get verified from Amazon side. If you are given the correct information as per your card and as per your address, it will check for it. So be patient to wait. Once it's done, that AWS will say to confirm your identity. Just enter your phone number here which you used while starting stage. So just give that phone number here, and you can enter your security check here, and you just enter here, and you can choose two types here. Okay, if you need to come the code via SMS, you can use text message, or if you need to come the code via voice call, you can use this option. So as of now, my best recommendation, use text SMS, then proceed with send a SMS. Then you can get your OTP via your mobile. Just click to send SMS here. Okay, I got OTP. So I have given enter. So my identity has been verified successfully. So you can proceed with continue here. And the next step, you have to choose your basic plan as free plan. Just click free plan, and you can see here developer as well as business plan. It is costly. It is used by organizations or company. So you can go with basic free plan. It is nothing but free for 1 year. So you can go with free here. You may wonder your 2 rupees has been debited from your account. So don't worry guys. After 1 or 2 days or after 4 hours, it automatically gets credited. So don't worry about guys. Then next, you have to choose your role here. You maybe choose your system administrator or network engineer or whatever role you are. Then you can choose whatever you are interested in, DevOps or cloud engineer, whatever you can choose here, and proceed with submit. Okay, I'm just giving here. That's it guys. We created our AWS account. Hope you get mail from Amazon Web Services like this. So welcome to Amazon Web Services, and you can see thank you for creating Amazon Web Services. And for the next 12 months you can use for free. Hope you will get, and be patient. It will take some time, like 5 minutes or 4 minutes. Then it will come to your inbox, so don't worry. And if everything is fine, you will get another mail like your AWS account is ready and you can get started. Like that you can get mail. So that's it guys. We have created our account, and then next we should verify our account, right? So in Google, go to like here and type AWS management console login. Click the first link. Okay, then log back in. Just now we have created, so it will come log back in. So root user, I am user. Root is your admin account, so you have to go with root user only, and enter your email while created before. Then proceed with next and enter your password. Proceed with sign in. Oh great guys, we have done and we have achieved our goal. Thus we are into our AWS account. See what we created. I told account name as CloudBus we have given. So if you are given your name or your account name, you should see your account name here. Okay, and then you can go with this console, and you can play with any services as you like. So I'm giving EC2. Okay, this is our EC2 page. You can create our instance or VMs this page. Someone faced like this type of pop-up. Don't worry guys, while creating EC2 it will come. So don't worry guys, this is nothing but AWS will verify from their side. So your account will take 24 hours to fully activate. If you are lucky, you could get your verification by within a hour. So it may take some time. based on your luck and based on their time to get verified. If you are not verified, you can get by clicking the contact support and support our AWS team. So don't worry guys, you will be getting verified within 24 hours. Okay, coming to free tier limit, you can always use for free for 12 months, which is nothing but 1 year, and they are giving 750 hours per month, and you can use 750 hours. EC2 is nothing but virtual machines, and RDS is nothing but database. S3 is storage, and Lambda is for automation, and QuickSight is for analytic service. So you can use for those services as per their limit. If you are using above these particular hours, you may get charged. So don't use extra usage. So 750 hours per month you can use for it. If it comes to per year, I'm just calculating here. Go to calculator and you can check 750 to 12, right? 12 months. So totally they are giving 9,000 hours per year. Okay, can use for it. By same way, if you are going to use above 5 GB of storage, you should pay for your usage, whatever you are using. So be careful in using your account. So that's all guys for today. Hope you got clear understanding about how to create an AWS account. Hope if you like this video, you can like button, and you can share and subscribe our CloudBurst channel. In upcoming demos, we are going to see AWS services one by one. So please subscribe our channel to get immediate notification to your inbox. Until then, signing off from Prabha the CloudBurst. Thank you guys.